GrokMAX 4.5 review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called GrokMAX 4.5. So right now we are on the sales page right now. You can see the discount coupon Grok30 off. This will give you $3 discount, I guess. So go and or maybe just show you, maybe I'll show you the coupon codes right here. So $3 coupon code Grok3 off, $5 off, Grok5 off, 20% off on Grok20 off. Okay, so use these coupon codes and along with this one to see which one gives you maximum discount. How do you come to the sales page for that? You will find a link below my video. It will be saying grab GrokMAX 4.5 AI copy here. Click on that link, come to the sales page, and then you can go and buy. And if you want to know about the bonuses, then I don't talk about the bonuses in the beginning. You have to watch the video till the end. I will discuss the bonuses, how you can get them, what they are towards the end, and how to make money online. And also we'll see the demo video right here. So the sales page says straight from blah, blah, blah. And was first, what did I click? I just clicked on something. So let's go back at the top again. So, okay, it's flashing, right? It's very flashy. It's all about Grok, AI, and other AI shit. You know how this works, right? So it's all about AI. Take it where you want it. Then we have some questions at the bottom. I mean, I don't want to spend my time on the sales page. What is GrokMAX AI? Is the world's first dedicated all-access platform for Grok AI. Do I need to be an expert? No. Whatever. Let's just watch the demo video. That's all you have to say. And I can take a 2 minutes break. So it says only a 2 minutes long demo video. So go and watch this and see yourself. And at the same time, whether you want this GrokMAX 4.5 or not, but if you want my bonuses, which you will get to know in the next few minutes. So just for getting my bonuses, you will have to go and buy this using my link below. So that will be one more reason. So let's see. And I only make these reviews for the sake of making these reviews because in the end, I will tell you the real methods, the real skill to make money online. So make sure you watch the video till the end. The whole motive is to do this review so that you can get to know the real methods to make money online. So we got a dog sitting on a moon. They're calling it moon. Looks like curl banana. Yeah, curly banana. That's what it looks like. So now dog saying happy birthday. So now it will be some GIF or a short video clip rendering. There you go. You got 5 seconds video. And you can download that. So these are short clips. And this is what I see and you see in the demo video. And we are nearly done. Almost done. Nothing else. We are killing the time. So you just click on the download button and then you have audio. You can create audio as well. So happy birthday, James IU Mel. And that's your audio. And the video is done. Okay, demo is done. So go and grab a copy using my link below, whether you want this or not, and use this coupon code just to get my bonuses. Go and buy something from me. Oh, and also I will tell you how to buy my own software if you're interested. You can click on this link, check out my Warrior Plus. I have explained this in next 2 minutes. Anyways, so you can see we have some OTOs right here. You can see the whole funnel here, 9 OTOs. You can pick and choose and you can get the unlimited if you want. So now watch the video till the end so that you know what the bonuses are and how you can make real money online. Subscribe, like, and share. Keep watching. Alright humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things. and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab kiss jacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay, then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what forex trading is. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay, second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all this is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Shim AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay, what else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me when before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, $10, $12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.